Alright, this quick tutorial shows how you can insert some rows in your template for pages. So what we're going to start out doing is we get to the point in the tutorial where we want to add some content, to add some more rows. And so what you're going to do is you're going to click with your left mouse button here in the box, and you need to turn on the inspector. So hover over here at the top right hand corner where you'll see the inspector. Okay, it'll bring up this box, and what you want to look for is the one that actually has cells. So you can see here there's a little table inspector, and when you do that, it brings up this window. You'll see edit rows and columns here. If you click, you can add a row actually below, which is what we want to do. And I'm going to go ahead and do that several times. So add a couple rows below, and then we can add our content. All right, so now we need to actually copy what's in these two cells. So what you can do is you can select a cell by clicking once. If you triple click, so 3 times, click, go up to the edit menu and copy, or Command C, and then click in the cell that you want to add that text to, go to the edit menu and paste. All right. Another thing that you can do is you can triple click to copy, right click and choose copy, click in the field that you want to go to, the table cell, and then right click. Oops, and it's not giving me that option, so what you have to do is actually click a couple times until you get this flashing cursor, and then right click and paste. Now you can go to the next cell, click until you see this cursor again, right click and paste. All right, and the same is going to be true for the photo. So you're going to click once to select the cell, and then click another time to actually select the photo. And you'll know it's selected when it has these handles. You're going to right click and copy, click the cell below until you see the cursor, right click and paste. Okay, and just do that a couple more times. Click once to select the cell, click twice to get this cursor, and then right click and paste. And just continue to do that until you have all of the cells that you need. All right, now at this point, you can actually go in and add the photos. And there's 2 ways to do that, but the way I find easiest is to go out to the folder and find the photos that you want to use. So we have a picture for mixing paste. I'm going to look at this one. Let's see, I think we have the stencil in place, so that's the photo I want to use. So I need to click this other window to make it active. And then I can see this one selected in the back. I'm just going to click it with my left mouse button and drag. And you'll see that it's actually filled the window. Okay, the next one after that is the stencil filled. So I'm selecting it by clicking once over here. Click over here in your tutorial. Then go back over, you can see this in the background. You're going to click once and drag until you see that plus sign, and you'll see that it's actually now filled. And you just continue to do that until you have all of the images that you need in place. All right, so that's a quick tutorial on how to change the cells within the Pages template.